Sawadee krab, I'm at Krabi International Airport and today I'll be flying Thai Airways retrofitted A330, again, back home. Thai Airways check-in counters are located in the land side of Terminal 1, also known as the International Terminal. This is also where the Royal Silk Lounge is located. Check-in was a total breeze and we were headed to the Royal Silk Lounge in no time. Weirdly enough, the lounge was located in the land side and just right next to the check-in counter. I've never seen something like this, to be honest. Inside the lounge, there are plenty of seats and other facilities, such as the computer room and the massage chair. But here's the most important part: the food. There wasn't much in terms of variety, but it was pretty good for a relatively small airport like this. And also, you just gotta love the white orchid printed on the plates and cups. After leaving the lounge, I didn't film much because I lost my ID card and I was panicking. Anyways, we walked back to Terminal 2, went through security, and got ready for boarding. The aircraft for today's flight to Bangkok is an A330-300 with a registration of HS-TEP. The aircraft is named Cha and is 9.7 years at the time of editing. It is equipped with 294 seats, 31 in Royal Silk class and 263 in economy class. And welcome on board. Like mentioned in my previous video, the cabin is in an alternating 121 and 122 configuration.
สวัสดีค่ะค่ะ17A ฝั่งนี้ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Here's my window seat, 17A. Now, it's time for a seat tour. There's a large touchscreen in front, a small storage space below, and a relatively large footwell. The seat control panels and the remote is located on the right, as well as a power port and headphone jack. The headphone holder and the reading light is also located here. The seat also comes with a 3-point seat belt, which makes you feel slightly more secure.
Welcome to Royal Orchid to take off and landing. Please store all bound for Bangkok. The flight captured
let me give you a quick tour of the in-flight entertainment screen. It is very responsive and does contain a lot of movies, TV shows, and games. What I didn't like about it though was the remote control. It was very hard to use, and I eventually gave up after a few minutes. The meal service started very quickly, so let's fold out our tray tables and get ready for the meal. Finally, there's my dinner. What I'll be having tonight is fried fish in sweet and spicy sauce, stir-fried eggplants, rice, and lychee jelly. Overall, it was a tasty and flavorful meal, though the rice was a little bit dry. I'd still take this any day. The seat turns into a fully flat bed, as mentioned in my previous Thai Airways review. It was pretty comfortable. I also noticed that the footwell of these single seats are larger than on the throne seats. The flight is already coming to an end. We're already approaching the coast of Samut Prakan, a province just south of Bangkok. Fun fact, Suvarnabhumi Airport is also located in this province. In conclusion, it was a very good flight with Thai. Firstly, the Royal Silk Lounge in Krabi was empty and there were a decent choice of food and beverages. Secondly, the service was very quick and efficient, meals were tasty, and the crews were kind and friendly. Finally, it's what we're here for, the brand new seat. It was very comfortable in both upright and reclined position. It's a great product for regional business class and does surpass what some airlines use for long haul. What I didn't like so much was the remote control of the in-flight entertainment system. It was very hard to use, however, the screen was very responsive to touch, which kinda makes up for it. Home sweet home. Welcome back to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. Thank you very much for watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate all your support. For the next few months, I won't be flying anywhere, so please don't expect me to post many videos. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.